Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the best products out there. Today, we're going to talk about the Delxo 10-pack 10-gallon potato grow bags, also known as the best Torpedopot for gardening enthusiasts. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient way to grow your potatoes or other vegetables, this product could be the answer to your needs. These grow bags come in a convenient 10-pack, and each bag holds up to 10 gallons of soil, giving your plants plenty of room to spread their roots and grow strong. The bags are made from a thickened 300G nonwoven fabric that's breathable, ensuring that your plants get the aeration they need for healthy root development. One of the standout features of these grow bags is the side window that opens up, allowing you to check the progress of your crops without disturbing the plant. This makes harvesting easy and less messy. The design of the bags ensures excellent drainage, preventing the roots from becoming waterlogged. These fabric pots allow for better root growth, as they let excess water escape, which helps maintain the right moisture level for your plants. This also promotes faster growth and stronger plant vigor, whether you're growing potatoes, vegetables, or other types of plants. In addition to being great for potato cultivation, these bags are incredibly versatile, suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether it's summer or winter, the material helps regulate the temperature of the soil, keeping your plants warm during colder months and cool when it's hot. This makes the bags a reliable option throughout the year, regardless of the weather. These grow bags are also designed with practicality in mind. They come with sturdy handles, making it easy to move them around your garden or to adjust their position to get the best sunlight. The double layer of fabric makes them durable and capable of withstanding the elements, so you don't have to worry about them tearing or breaking easily. One of the best things about these grow bags is their environmental friendliness. They are made with materials that are safer for both human health and the environment, making them a sustainable choice for eco-conscious gardeners. Plus, they come from a brand that is committed to worker well-being and ethical production practices. So if you're looking for an efficient, durable, and sustainable way to grow your potatoes or other plants, the Delxo 10-pack 10-gallon potato grow bags are a fantastic choice. Their design, functionality, and eco-friendly features make them stand out in the market, earning them the title of the best Torpedopot. Be sure to check them out and give your plants the best growing environment possible.